BTBT stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is Bit Digital stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, I am the only person in the stock trading space with a track record of 43,000 videos over 5 years and documentation of everything. And just generally speaking, I am like literally one break away from just doubling down, buying more here. Technically saw the first break, so the only thing that I care about is the second one. And if it does not quite happen, then I'm not going to be buying here. Like, it's that simple, like just like that. You know, I have a lot of receipts with BTBT in my Discord with 8 results. Not a lot, but decent amount. And I like the pump. I definitely love the pump. It's just that how can I milk it up the most? Squeeze the most juice out of this now. For me, this will make sense only if there's a double break here. And if not, it's all good, you know, like not everything is supposed to be bought. So I'll continue to keep you updated. Stay tuned. And if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.